Hi everyone, it's money lesson time. Today we're talking about something that might be flying under your radar but can seriously affect your investments. I'm talking about the fees that you pay on your funds, which might sound just like 1%, but if you're interested in knowing how these fees can impact your investment, keep watching this video because I will explain this with few examples so you can understand this better. So imagine you have two funds with same performance, but one has higher fees than the other. So over a 30-year period, the fund with higher fees can cost you tens of thousands of dollars more. So these fees can include management fees, expense ratios, and transaction costs. Even seemingly small percentage differences can accumulate significant cost over time. So let's say you're investing 10,000 with an annual fee of 1%. That's $100 a year. So it might not sound like much, but let's see what happens over time. So after 10 years, that's about 1,000 in fees. And if you fast forward to 30 years, you have paid 3,000 in fees. This is because the effect of compounding works against you when fees are involved. So what can you do to mitigate this impact of fees on your funds? Firstly, do your research and compare the fees of different funds. Look for low-cost options like index funds, ETFs, as they generally have lower fees than actively managed funds. You need to find out whether this actively managed fund even justifies its higher fees by consistently giving higher performance. On an average, historically, these actively managed funds have not fared better compared to index funds. Also, you must remember that even if some funds have performed better in some years, the past performance is not a guarantee for future. The next thing is you should always consider tax implications when selecting funds. High turnover funds can generate more capital gains, which can increase your tax bill. Lastly, monitor your funds regularly to ensure they continue to align with your investment goals. Don't hesitate to switch to lower cost alternatives if it makes financial sense. So to sum up this video, fees can have a substantial impact on your investment funds over the long term. Being aware of the fees and choosing low cost options can help you maximize your investment returns. So do your due diligence and choose wisely. Remember, every dollar you save on fees is a dollar that stays in your pocket. Click the link below to learn more and make informed decisions about your investment. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And I'll see you soon. Bye.